You might notice that some of our formulations come in two versions, an active version and a stabilized version. And there's a very important reason for this. I'm Diana Herman from CMD Skin Solutions. I'm the dermatology herbal expert here. And I want you to understand why we have two different versions for some of our herbal supplements. The reason is stabilizing newly healed skin prevents future inflammation. When treating inflammatory skin conditions, the first thing we want to do is give patients relief from the itching, the pain, the swelling. We want to reduce active inflammation. Once the skin is calm, we need to sort out any underlying imbalances that allowed that inflammation to develop in the first place. And it's important to do this so that when you stop herbal treatment, that inflammation doesn't return. This is the stabilization phase of treatment, and it requires different herbs than when we treat the active inflammatory phase. The longer someone has had inflammation in the skin, the longer they're going to need to be on the active version of the formula to clear that inflammation. And the longer someone has had inflammation, the longer they should probably stay on the stabilized formula as well, so that the skin does not revert back to an inflammatory state once herbs are discontinued. Now, it can take several weeks to several months for active inflammation to clear in skin. It depends what underlying skin condition you are trying to address in the first place. But once your skin can be clear for 3 to 4 weeks, then you can switch over to the stabilized version of your formula. Please take a look at our previous videos for dosing guidelines. And when you are taking a stabilizing formula, you can take it at the same dose as the active formula, or you can take it at a slightly lower dose as long as your skin symptoms do not return. If you start on the stabilizing formula and you realize that you're experiencing itching again, or there's a little more redness creeping in, pause, take a step back, go back to the active formula for a little while until your skin is clear, and then start the stabilization phase. Now, this phase is really important because we don't want you to take an herbal supplement for several months and be super happy that your skin is cleared, and then you stop herbal treatment altogether. And 3 months down the line, 4 months down the line, your skin becomes inflamed again. We want your skin to be healthy and clear and able to maintain its health without the help of herbs. I typically suggest that my patients stay on the stabilized version of their formula for 2 to 3 months. Why is this? Because you've invested a lot of time and money to clear your skin condition, and you don't want that inflammation to return in the near future. So protect your investment, restore normal function, and stabilize your skin by staying on that stabilized formula for long enough. If you go off the herbs and nothing happens, great, that's the goal. If you go off the herbs and some inflammation, some itching, some redness starts to return, go back onto the active formula until it's clear, then switch to the stabilized formula for a month or 2, possibly even 3 months, and then you can go off the herbs again. Our goal at CMD Skin Solutions is to help you get clear skin, and we want to make sure it stays clear. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our educational videos here. And we look forward to helping you keep your skin clear and comfortable for as long as possible.